Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Sunday. Well, today as you can see we're going to be starting this one and it's called Magic Castle and I got it from PaintSomeWay. So we are going to be starting down here in this bottom building right here and the color is 300. It's kind of a burnish orange brown color-ish thing. Yeah, beautiful color though, gorgeous. Whoops, I got the wrong thimble. Jeez, we're having a day, aren't we? So let's get started. Get you down where you can see. How we all doing, peeps? It's Sunday. Whoop. It's Sunday already. Kind of have to roll this up because there's a lot going on out here. I could have, I guess, started with the trees, but no, I didn't think of that. Oh, holy cow. Yeah. Yesterday, I watched Netflix and YouTubes and listened to audiobooks and yeah, didn't do much of anything yesterday at all. I did stitch, of course. I worked on that new little hedgehog on that blanket part that we had started, and I worked on the rabbit in the library, and those are the only two that I really worked on, and just kind of vegged, if you will. And the weather was just absolutely stunning. It was in the 50s. And I would say the upper 50s because it was beautiful. But just still didn't want to go anywhere or do anything. How about everybody else? Did you get to go somewhere yesterday or today? Go see anything fun and new and exciting? I hope so. Hope the weather's good where you're at, or getting better after the big episode last week and maybe part of the week before. Yeah. Because this week is really different than last week. Or weekend, I should say, because it was bitterly cold last week. But not so much. It'll melt off all the snow that we did get. Well, all what snow we did get on the mountains, because we didn't get any down here. And heard somebody say that one of the bases was of the ski resort was lower than it had been. Oh, come on. Bend. Bend to my will. I forgot to crunch the material, can you tell? Holy cow. Trying to work my way around. Beautiful color, though. Turns out more brown than orange. It's kind of a burnt orangish brown. I don't know how to explain it. But I thought we'd start with these little houses here. I was going to do the roofs, but they're covered in snow, so that would have been all white or a crew. Yeah, that wasn't going to happen, so I don't mind doing that, but yeah, when that's the only thing we got already on the canvas, yeah, we need to have a contrast there. So yeah, I made some progress on those two kits that I worked on. I'm working on the circle that the rabbit's in. Worked on that for a while and tried to get some of that seat done. And then I jumped up and started working on, I'll call it the background of where he's sitting, like the, that bluish, like he's in front of a window. So, yeah. Started on putting the full cross stitch in because part of that is half cross stitch, and I'd like to, if I don't get the full cross in first, then, and I do part of the half cross stitch, I think, well, why didn't I cross those? So if I leave them for last, especially in that area where they're just kind of helter-skelter here and there, yeah, I'll wonder the whole time, should I have crossed those? Well, how come they're not crossed? But if it's the last thing I do, you know, then I know for sure that I'm done. Does any of that make any kind of sense, or am I just blathering on as usual? Oh, geez. Because I had that problem. Can't remember which one it was. Seems like it was that lady that was in the garden. And there was some green leaves. Like, not leaves, but trees with... And in part of the leaves on the tree, part of it was just helter-skelter. I mean, there was like 20 just strung out over the whole thing that were half crosses. It didn't make much sense to me, but yeah. So I had just worked along, and it's like, should I have crossed that or not crossed it? So, yeah. Oh, poo. So yeah, that was about the extent of my big weekend. Didn't go anywhere or do anything fun or exciting. I didn't even get to the thrift store this on my weekend. Just, nah. I got enough stuff here. It's starting to get a little overwhelming. I need to reorganize that room in there, because I have a front bedroom, but it's never been used as a bedroom. It even has is that a quarter bath? It just has a sink and a toilet in it. I don't think that's a half bath. Anyway, yeah, it's cold in there because I keep it closed off. So that's not someplace I go unless I absolutely am looking for something. Because yeah. So basically it's a storage room. Yeah, I saw this kit when I went to make my order for PaintSomeWay, and I really liked it. I had never seen this kit before, so I'm assuming that it's new. But, you know, because I look at big and look at small, you know. I'm not stuck in just, oh, let's just get the small ones. No. I have to see all the things, but I had never, ever seen this kit before, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. And I'll have to crunch the whole thing down. And yes, I crunch my canvas. Just makes it easier for my hands because I'm old. But, you know, there are some that can just stitch, you know, when it's kind of stiff. And it's not a extremely thick canvas, so that makes it good. Once I get it, you know, crunched down, it usually goes well. So we'll have to see how much of this I get stitched on before I show you my progress on Tuesday. So we'll see. But the hedgehog, he's coming along good. I'm just still working on that overhang blanket. And it doesn't really look like a big area, but sometimes it's a little bit bigger than you give it credit for. Oh, please. Gotta get rid of my... Sorry. Well, it's coming there. I got my little teddy bear out today. She's so cute. Let's see if we can start someplace else. Up higher. Oh, goodness. Don't know how busy it's going to be tomorrow at work, with not a lot of people out and about going skiing and all this lovely good weather. We'll see how long that holds, you know. I'm still expecting huge amounts of snow in February and March, but it may or may not happen. Not sure. What? We'll just have to play it by ear. Keeps getting stuck on my mat here for some reason. I know the whole reason was so that I put that mat there in the first place was so that the canvas wouldn't slip. Well, it's getting stuck all right. It's not going anywhere, but the mat keeps moving. And I don't want to have to put any Velcro down on my table to hold, you know, something in. Yeah, that won't be happening. So we'll see. Like this area for reference, I didn't think there was that many symbols of this color, but turns out there's a lot. This is kind of a bigger area. We'll be fine. Don't think I have any reason to go anywhere today. Might just stay in. But it's supposed to be as nice as it was yesterday, so yay. I came that close to sitting out on the porch. That's how nice it was. But I thought, no, I don't want to drag that. Right now, the only chair I'd have would be my rocking chair, and it weighs close to 50 pounds, maybe more. It's solid wood. I mean, not solid wood. I mean, it's got a padded seat and a padded back, but it's made with hardwood, and it's heavy. I can barely move it, you know, here and there, that I have to maneuver it, like in front of the window. Yeah. So dragging it someplace is usually not an option. Only if I absolutely need it. It stays put, pretty much. Get this row finished here. Hey, at least there's not 4 symbols right next to each other that are all the same shade of color. So I'm thrilled sick about that. It's been fairly easy to see this. There we go. Alright, guys. Trying to anchor my needle here. don't know that you can tell it's a building. I'll try to finish that building there. It's starting to go around. There's a window right there, and then the rest is like the front. I don't think you'll... No, you really can't tell that from that picture. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.